Hi everybody, Alex Houston here in the dormakaba Discovery Center in Indianapolis. I have Ben Brydges, newly appointed leader of dormakaba Lodging here in the Americas. I want to take the opportunity to introduce him to the lodging community and give him the opportunity to share a bit about his vision and passion for our business. So, welcome Ben.
Thank you. Thank you.
You've been in the role a little over a month now.
Yep.
How are you getting your feet wet?
Just over a month. Yeah, really just hitting the road, getting out and meeting everybody, meeting all the team, checking into, I don't even remember how many hotels. Totally changed that experience for me. Way more attention to detail. But it gives me an opportunity to really speak with some customers and ask them how we're doing for them, or even ask how the competitor's product's doing. So it's been a great experience so far.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I can tell you bring a lot of personal energy and passion to this role. Maybe tell me a little bit about where that comes from, why you're so focused on the customer experience and delivering for customers.
Sure. I think even at an early age, one of my first jobs is working in a grocery store. Started out as a bagger, worked my way up to manage the front end, and I think it was there that you just realize what customers really want. They want a reliable experience. They want their expectations met, and in the rare occasion where you might fall down as a supplier, they want you to take care of it, make it go away quickly, take care of their issues.
Sounds pretty similar to our customers too.
I would say so too.
And their customers.
Attentiveness and responsiveness.
Yeah, okay. At dormakaba, our focus is on growth. And we know we can deliver growth by focusing on our values, putting customers first, being curious, committed to performance, courageous, and if we do those right, building trust with the market. So in lodging, how do you see taking on that ambition of growth? What are you telling your team in order to deliver on that promise?
Sure. For me, it's just we want to be easy to do business with. And I believe we'll get there by focusing on our product, our processes, and our people. It starts with people, right? So putting the right people in the right spot, in the right roles, training, investing in the talent, structuring the company or the business so that we can support our customers the way they expect. And then if we find ourselves needing certain talent, going out and acquiring it, being bold. Focusing on processes, just gaining efficiency. Like I said, being easier to do business with. So every touch point that we have with the customer, we'll put that under some scrutiny and see how we can improve.
That's terrific.
And then even working internally, becoming more efficient, reducing the waste.
Good.
And product, I think we can narrow down our product portfolio, really put some attention to the ones that our customers care most about, improving our form factor. So if we do those three things,
awesome.
I think we'll satisfy our core values.
Well, you've convinced me. I know you're going to be successful. But how are you going to measure that success personally? When will you be satisfied that we're making progress at the pace you want?
Sure. Well, I talked about checking into a lot of different hotels, right? So I go back to that guest experience, my own experience. So I will know that we're successful when that guest experience is improved because of us. So whatever we can do to improve the reliability and consistency with that experience, then I know we're winning.
Awesome. Help our customers win for their customers.
Absolutely.
Customer first.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for getting to know Ben a little bit better, and look for great things from dormakaba Americas and dormakaba's lodging products in particular.